Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the new pet in Grow a Garden 2 in High Tide Event Part 4, the new dolphin pet. So this dolphin is a mythical pet that you can buy from the summer shop. This one, and then you can buy it with Tide tokens, 60 Tide tokens. This one, you can see it, it's mythical pet. And its special ability is transforms your character into a dolphin, and it will giving you bonus movement speeds and for time higher jump for a short time. And while you equip this pet, any fruits you push have a chance to receive the tidal mutations. And I think this ability making this pet very useful during this event. But unfortunately, in here I can't show the ability in actions yet because I haven't been lucky enough to get this dolphin in stock. But this event shop will refresh it regularly, so be sure to check back often until it appears. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!